Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cash out funds from eBay to Cash App. So first step you need to do is to go on to the eBay and you need to log in into your eBay account. So once you log in, you simply need to click on this arrow here on the top left and go on to the account settings. Once you are in account settings, go on to the payments. So once you are on the payments, here you need to click on add payment option. And here you need to select credit or debit card and click on continue. And on this window, you need to add the details of your Cash App card and click on continue. And this is the process by which you can cash out funds from eBay to Cash App. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.